Good morning everyone. I am Abdul Rahman from Final ECC.
And I am Arjun from Final ECC. Here we are going to present a topic on performance analysis of OCDMA network with improved security.
Our title is Performance Analysis of OCDMA Network with Improved Security. Our objective is to safely transmit data using wavelength conversion technique and line selector technique. Introduction. OCDMA network is nothing but transmitting many user data information in a single channel. These are literature surveys. Proposed method. Our proposed method is wavelength conversion technique and line selector technique. In wavelength conversion technique, the wavelength is converted and the data is also inverted. In line selector technique, the data is converted using a line selector and it is retrieved back using a SOA based XOR gate. And this is how the data is modified in wavelength conversion technique. And this is a block diagram. This is the simulation setup of the transmitter side. And this is the simulation setup of receiver side. And this is what designed inside the wavelength conversion circuit. And this is user centered data and inverted data at the receiver side. This is the retrieved data, and these are the tabulations for different injection currents. After observing the tables, we found that 0.11 amps provided great results and up to 30 km range. This is the reason for multi-user, and these are the users and data through the fiber and inverted. This is for user 2, this is the data for user 3, this is the data for user 4.
The other method of protecting the data from the attacker is a line selector method. In this method, the data which is sent will be passed through the line selector, and after the output of the line selector, the data will be completely changed. So these are the calculations which are made. As you can see, the input data is 11100, and after the output 001011. So this is the experimental setup, which consists of x1, x2 as codes and d as data, which is passed through line selector. And inside the line selector, we designed using electrical gates. And this is the receiver side of the line selector, which consists of SOA based XOR for retrieving the data. So it is a experimental setup of the SOA based XOR. Here the data and spectrum results of an input, and this is the output of the line selector, which is passed through the data, and this is the data output and the spectrum output, which will be passed through the optical fiber. And this is the comparison of input and output. That is, the left side diagram is the input and right side diagram is the data transmitted through the optical fiber. And here, if the attacker tries to decrypt the data with another code, then he would not be able to get the data which we are sending. So right side diagram is the data which is attacker getting, and the left side data is the original thing. As you can see, this is the transmitter side of the wavelength conversion block, and inside the wavelength conversion block, these are the components which is present. And after the optical fiber, this is the receiver side of the wavelength conversion block. Now the program started running, and once the program starts entered, this will be the spectrum, and this will be the inverted data. This is the whole line selector setup, and once the program ends, this is the output of the line selector. At the receiver side, the data is recovered.